Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a desktop Windows manager dwm.exe consume high CPU and memory. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization, and after doing this that go to your themes, and after that change the theme. After change the theme, close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type advanced system settings, open up view advanced system settings. Now after doing this that, after opening the that, go to your settings and make sure that select adjust for best performance. Click on OK button and close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. Go to your display adapter, select a display adapter, right click on a update driver and search automatic from drivers and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type services, open services. After opening these services, find out Windows management services. Now here is a Windows management services. Double click on open it, and after doing this step disable it. Click on apply and OK button and close it. And after doing this step restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.